I'm going to show you how to open a Trading 212 account. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and search for Trading 212. Now, click on the official Trading 212 link from the search results to open the website. Then click on the Open Account option from the homepage. Next, select your country of residence from the list carefully to make sure your account details are correct. After that, click on Next to continue the setup process. Now, choose the type of account you want to open, for example, Invest, CFD, Stocks ISA, depending on your trading goals. Then, enter your email address and create a strong password for your new account. Once you've filled everything in, check the box to agree to the terms and conditions, and then click on Create Account. After your account is created successfully, you can now start investing and exploring the Trading 212 platform. You can use it to buy and sell stocks, track your investments, and analyze live market trends. The platform also offers tools to help manage your portfolio and set alerts for stock prices. It is a beginner-friendly and secure platform, making it easy to trade and grow your investments directly from your computer or phone. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.